Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So from you can see on the title, we'll be making some banana and coffee ice cream from scratch. So we have all the stuff that we have today. We have our frozen banana, we have our brewed coffee in this cup. I don't want you to show them. We have a little bit of almond concentrate, and we have some, this is evaporated milk and some granulated sugar. When you leave it overnight, it becomes like condensed milk, so we're going to use some of that.
No, actually we blended the granulated sugar and the evap milk and we left it to chill. We didn't, so when you do it, it looks like this. It gives you that sort of condensed milk look. Yeah.
So the first thing we're doing is,
so of course we're going to have our whipped cream, which is the base, but we're going to be doing that last.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the banana and coffee mixture first, because we want it to be of a smooth consistency. So we're going to put our bananas, the coffee, that's okay, some of our milk, and just use all that.
No, I think we want all.
It won't be us. Show the sweetness inside of it.
Yeah, I think so. The bananas are sweet too.
Then we're going to use some of the almond extract.
And we don't want to forget a little salt. We're becoming homemakers right here. And I have an ice cream video that I uploaded on Patreon. Want a little salt to balance out the sweet, and I think this is okay. You can take a little touch more. We don't want a full teaspoon. I think that's okay. I'm putting some nutmeg, and I don't want to overpower it. And basically that will be it. It's in our food processor, and we're gonna go now and just
blend it up to get a smooth consistency of it. Okay guys, so we put our whipping cream into the stand mixer, and we're going to use our whisk attachment and just whip it out until it creates like soft peaks, or until it's not moving at all, so you can have that ice cream consistency.
So once that is whipping, you might want to show them how you want that looking.
So this is the consistency of our banana and coffee mixture. See? So it is,
you see, have that sort of caramel look with the coffee and the ripe banana. We added a little yellow almond concentrate.
So we want it to be able to fold in easily with the whipping cream, so that's why it's this consistency.
So we're gonna whip our cream until it comes to that. It's not stiff, but it's soft, not moving, almost to stiff.
So we finished the whipping
on the bowl and then it cold.
I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. This is
what it looks like.
So this is what it's supposed to be.
So what I want to give you a little tip. The colder it is, the higher speed you whip it at. See it in there, it's not supposed to be moving. The colder, and this was really cold, so I had to up the speed a bit. You don't want to whip it too long, and it will stay there and deflate. And you don't want to whip it on too much of a low speed. So the colder it is, that's what I find, the higher the speed. So we are going to fold in our banana mixture right now. And we're doing it together as mother and daughter. This is what we're going to put it in. I have lined a bunting, metal bunting with plastic, and we're going to fold in the banana mixture into the whipped cream. That's how easy homemade ice cream can be. So You need to come up to the camera. Come up to the camera. You don't want to do it, you have to move your hand fast, hold the hand. Let me take this out.
No, you don't. You don't have to take it.
Alright, let's hold it. Showing most of it. Okay, hold it there, hold it there, hold it there. Fold it in fast now. You can't turn your back to the camera, girl. She's young family, so you have to help her to move with speed. Let me see it. We're doing it together. Come, give it to me. Let me show you something. Yes, it's at the right consistency. Yes, but if you have it, you have to move with speed. You don't want to overmix it either. See what it looks like? Let me show them, because you see the thing is, you see that?
So it's not supposed to be too thick.
Too thick, not too thin.
It's going to be too hard to scoop, and if it's too thin, it's going to become icy.
Okay, so we're gonna fold it. We're gonna scoop it now. Let's put it down. Put it down.
And then we're going to plastic wrap the top.
Yeah, you're gonna plastic wrap for it not to get freezer burn
and not for any ice pellets to get inside.
Yeah, so you gotta wrap it really well.
So you wrap it at the bottom, then you wrap it back at the top again. If you have a covered container of some kind, you would wrap it and then cover it back over, just to seal in every place.
You see that? And as every good cook, this is ice cream soft serve.
So this is it. All wrapped.
Level it out like.
Level it out a little bit. There we go.
I think we should give it another wrap. So 6 to 8 hours, but I think we'll wait 6 because right now we're doing it. The weather is really, you know, cool. So we catch you then.
So it's been about 6 hours now, I would say so. And our ice cream is finished. We have some cones here that we're going to show them. Show them in the cone. Alright. So this is the ice cream. You can see. Here we go. So this is it, right? As you can see, it's firm. It's not icy at the top, nothing like that. So we have a little cup here with our ice cream scoop in a little water. And now we're going to test it out to make sure it's
You want to go?
No, go ahead. So we're going to scoop some of it now. And that's a scoop. I'm going to put it on our cone. I think one is okay. There we go.
Ooh.
And this is it on our cone. Well, I'm going to do another scoop. Not a bit too big. That's okay. What? That one's better. This one is better.
They're both
Anyways.
okay.
So these
And
are
this is
the
our
ice creams. So this is what they look like, hopefully. You guys
Yeah,
can
so
see.
these are this banana homemade ice cream. So fam, you can do it too. You can do it at home too.
You just might taste the banana.
Yeah, we made enough banana. We wanted to taste the banana. It's not overpowering. It's just banana ice cream.
Yeah.
Hope you did like this video. If you did,
Wish I did taste the coffee a little more.
yeah, we didn't put enough coffee.
But outside of that, the banana is very much there.
Yeah. So, I'm going to say a while ago, who scoops the ice cream and don't eat it? So, hope you will try this and let us know in the comments below. Do this with your kids, and you can just use just about any fruit. You can add a little rum. You can add raisins. You can do your rum and raisins.
Yeah, you can put anything
Yeah, you
want
can
into
put
this.
your twist to it. So We're
If you
gonna,
want to add like chocolate pieces or any type
Yes,
of stuff,
you
like
can-
that, you can add it to
yeah,
it.
and sprinkle over it.
It'll be
Thanks
okay, it works.
for the love, thanks for the support. So we go continue covering this now
And put
with
it
the
back in
plastic
our
and put
freezer.
it back in the freezer. That's as you would store your regular ice
Your
cream.
regular ice cream.
Thanks for watching.